I think it's about time we replace some of these cards. Welcome to the review. Today, you guys, we are doing a review of these Catan game cards. Now, if you do not know, and if you cannot tell, this is a game that we play all the time. We have used these cards for years and years and years, and it is time to replace them. Now, before I open this up and show you how nice these look, I do want to note we have 2 of these boxes, and that is because if you play the 3 to 4 player game, you only need 1. If you have the 5 to 6 player expansion, you are gonna need to get 2 of these to make sure you have enough cards for everybody. So let's open these up and see what they look like inside. Oh my goodness, these are like pristine. They are absolutely beautiful compared to, yeah, here's your comparison view to our old cards versus the new cards. And we will be putting the new cards in card sleeves as well because we want them to stay nice and new. Now, as I said, one of these boxes, look at even the backs of them are trash. One of these boxes will do the 3 to 4 player game. Now what we're going to do is we're going to tell you how many cards total you're going to need if you have the 5 to 6 player expansion. These cards definitely all look nicer. We did do the count for you, so if you are looking to get this to expand your 5 to 6 player with new cards as well, you are going to need, from the second box, you will need 5 of each resource, 2 extra knights, 1 extra road building, and 1 year of plenty card, which of course is going to leave you with a box of more extra cards, but you can always use them to replace more of these cards in the future. So if you're the type of people that play Catan as much as we do and your cards are starting to look dingy and dirty like ours were, this is definitely something I recommend to make your game look new again.